Why is your child not doing well even after taking 6 months of piano lesson? One of the parents told me that a child has been taking piano lesson for 6 months, but she does not feel that her child is making much progress. What could be the possible reason? Number 1. Is your child practicing enough? The progress of your child depends on how much effort is put into practicing. The ideal practice time is 30 minutes a day for a child who is just started to learn how to play the piano. So a child who practices for 30 minutes daily will surely progress faster than a child who practices for only 30 minutes a week. Practice may not make perfect, but it will definitely make progress. Number 2. If the child still does not make progress after practicing for 30 minutes every day, the problem could be with the teacher. Different teachers have different teaching methods. Some methods may be more suitable for your child than other methods. If your child is not making progress, it could be the method is not suitable for your child and you may want to talk to the teacher about that. So let's say a teacher use the same method to teach 100 students and 99 out of 100 students with the same amount of practice can see progression with the teaching method. If your child could not see improvement, then your child may be the very rare 1% of students who find the method unsuitable. In that case, you can consider changing to another teacher that suits your child. So number 3. Does your child like the teacher? Ask your child if they like the teacher. Is they comfortable with the teacher? If your child can get along with the teacher, this will make lesson easier and more fun. If your child does not like the teacher, it's very hard for the child to enjoy the lesson and make good progress. Number 4. Expectation. If your child is practicing enough and the teacher is good, but you still do not feel that your child is making good progress, you may need to adjust your expectation. For example, the normal progress to complete a book for a certain syllabus is 6 to 12 months. If your child completed in 8 months, then she is on track. If you want your child to progress even faster, then she has to put in more hours in practice. Instead of practicing for 30 minutes daily, you can practice the piano for 1 hour daily. But I personally do not recommend young children who are 4 to 6 years old to practice 1 hour daily, even they can, as too much pushing may cause the child to lose interest in learning piano. So all in all, parents cannot expect good progress if the child only puts in very little effort to practice, such as 10 to 15 minutes a week, or don't even have piano at home. To conclude, there could be a lot of reasons that cause your child to not progress well. Just like growing a tree, learning an instrument takes time and hard work. So be patient and give more space for your child to learn. I hope that this point have helped to diagnose the problem, and I wish your child all the best in learning the piano. I'm Mr. Mo. If you find the video helpful, do remember to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. See you next time. Bye bye.